Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Fantom. We're going to be analyzing the charts and see what is happening and what are some next targets that we could be expecting in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Fantom right now, currently trading at 44.2 cents. We're up about 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 5.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Its market cap currently sitting at $1.2 billion. With the current market ranking in the cryptocurrency markets, it is at that top 43 spot for FTM. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $180 million. But now let's shift our focus on the charts, see what is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we can see that we're finding ourselves face that massive level of resistance once again. You guys can see a huge level of resistance is coming up on the price of FTM. And, if we break out of this level of resistance, guys, we could see FTM really start moving quickly back to that 52 cents mark very fast, especially if we do see an increase in volume coming in for FTM. And if we take a look at a closer on the hourly time frame, you guys can see FTM has made quite an impressive move, especially since yesterday. If you picked it up yesterday, you are already up almost 10%. And as I've said, facing a little bit of resistance coming up on our end, and a little bit of more volume, and especially if Bitcoin does hold around here and BTC dominance continues to pull down a little bit, which looks like it's starting to make its way back up, start heading to new yearly highs for BTC dominance. As long as it continues to pull down and Bitcoin trade sideways around here, I am expecting FTM to really rally back up to that level and possibly even retest that level of resistance, guys. If you're a Fantom holder and you want to be knowing a specific target where things can really start getting excited for the price of Fantom, that would be around here. We tried to break out of here back in Feb, but you should see the power of this level of resistance that we literally saw a rejection and we were back down. And obviously March, when Bitcoin saw a little bit of a cool off, we went all the way down to 30 cents. And if you picked it up around there, guess what? You are up right now from that spot itself 44.4%. Let that sink in. And if we also look at the yearly growth, if you picked it up at the yearly beginning of the year of 2023, you are up 121%. So that was the sweet spot to be picking up some FTM. That was very close to its all-time lows. But like I said, this is that level that you need to have your eyes on, which is at that 61.4 cents. If we pop out of here, guys, the main target is the 78.6 fib level. Major resistance coming up around that 86 cents mark. But if we clear that, we are headed back to $1 quite fast. And you guys know FTM is here to compete with the other blockchains. It has, in my quite personal opinion, I've shared this with you guys on my channel before, that it is one of the blockchains that is undervalued and being slept on with only a $1.2 billion market valuation. And remember, no one, again, even myself, if this is your first time coming onto my channel, I would have never imagined Fantom hitting almost $10 billion market cap if you told me this in 2019. If you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I've been knowing about Fantom for quite some time. A good friend of mine, told me about this project, and I was holding, I kid you not, couple million FTM back then. But guess what? This should be a learning lesson. I kind of got just couldn't hold my bags like you're supposed to. If you really believe in the project's vision, I just couldn't. And I did sell too early at the beginning of the previous bull cycle, but I still made some quite impressive gains. So gain is a gain at the end of the day, but obviously it would have been way different if I sold it closer to its all-time high, which was $3.46. And a lot of people are saying that Fantom is going back to its all-time high, and I totally agree. The reason being, look, forget about the price right now. Forget about the price for a second. Let's look at the overall ecosystem's growth. Are people still using Fantom blockchain? Are they interested? And that's where my bullish indication really comes in. The community talk is the community talking about it, and that is bigger than it was previously. So it is headed in the right direction, but we still need to obviously break into the 78.6 for the fireworks to really begin. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Fantom going. And yeah, do not forget to like and come join the Crypto ZX army. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.